Well, right now, there could soon be a potential shakeup within the U.S. Department of Education. Since taking office, President Trump has talked repeatedly about a large reduction in the role of this department. 11 Alive's Joe Ripley explores how much the president can do and how this could impact Georgians.
Alicia Thomas Searcy spent 12 years in the Georgia House focused on education concerns across the state. But the mother of three worries about the potential dismantling of the federal Department of Education. President Donald Trump could try to do so through executive order.
I'm deeply passionate and concerned about making sure that we have the safety nets in place under the public education system.
The president says he wants to reduce the role the federal DOE plays and increase the role states play in education.
The president is very limited in what he can cut because basically he has to execute the laws that Congress passes.
Emory University law professor Alexander Volek says the president could transfer certain roles and responsibilities to other federal departments or reallocate funding elsewhere. But Pell Grants and other scholarship funding, Title I and Title IX funding are all required by law. So those programs must keep going until Congress says otherwise.
Part of why the president hasn't been going to Congress immediately is partly because he wants to test his own power.
Alicia Thomas Searcy, who once served as a school superintendent, doubts the state could step in and be as effective.
I don't feel that our current Department of Education has the tools, the resources, the personnel, the talent, the passion, the expertise that's needed to effectively operate these programs without any federal oversight.
In Cobb County, Joe Ripley, 11 Alive News.
We did reach out to Georgia's Department of Education about the possibility of its roles changing, but we haven't heard back yet. Now, to fully cut the federal Department of Education, that would take an act of Congress.